Hello, I'm coming to you live from my kitchen today with a new product just released from Pampered Chef. And it is item number 2633, and it's called the Microwave Pasta Maker. So if you've ever wanted to make just a small batch of mac and cheese, maybe just for yourself or for a couple little kids, or you just wanted to make some homemade mac and cheese, this is a great way to do it. So I'm going to show you the product here. It's a nice little ceramic bowl. Like that. It's completely coated. It's heat safe to 450, I believe. Let me check my use and care. Always read the directions, right? So it's heat resistant to 450 degrees. You can use it in a conventional oven, convection oven, and microwave oven. You cannot put it on the stove, and you cannot use it under the broiler or over a direct heat source like a fire, okay? It is freezer safe, and you can use it with boxed or bagged dried macaronis or pastas. It's not recommended for fresh pasta. So for the best results, follow the directions provided, and it's listed right here. There's a little chart of what pastas, how much to use, how much water to use, and the cooking time based on the weight of the pasta. And so it's 2 ounces or 4 ounce servings, and then the water starts at 6 ounces and goes up to 14 ounces, depending on what kind of pasta you're using. So I'm going to make today the microwave mac and cheese recipe that can be found on the Pampered Chef website. Let me show you what that looks like. So there's our recipe. Now I'm modifying our recipe a little bit because I don't have elbow macaroni and I don't have evaporated milk. So it calls for 4 ingredients. You can see them there. And this is for 1 serving. You can safely double this, okay? So what I'm going to use today, because I don't have evaporated milk, I'm actually going to use some whole cream, but that's for our cheese sauce at the end, okay? So instead of boiling our pasta in water, I'm actually going to use chicken broth to add a little bit more flavor. So I've got our little bowl here. We're going to put in 1 cup of dried pasta, and I have penne ricotta pasta. That's what I have in the cupboard right now, okay? So we're going to put that in there. Hi, Emily. And then it calls for, a cup of water or chicken broth. I'm just going to pour that in there, okay? So see how it nicely covers up the pasta, and it's not like too much liquid? So the top that goes on this, sorry I spilled a little bit, is a boil over no more type lid. If you're familiar with those, it's a silicone product that you set on top of your pot when you're boiling, like potatoes or pasta or whatever, and the liquid will just come up through these little holes and sit there. Well, Pampered Chef designed the same kind of thing for this as well. Let's see if I can do this one-handed. Nope. So I'm going to actually push this down. It goes over the top. It's a tight fit, so it's hard to do one-handed, but it's a tight fit, and then we'll put it in the microwave, and you'll see some liquid boiling up here, like some foam and stuff like you normally have, and that's okay. It's safe. It's not going to run all over your microwave because it's going to be contained in here. So we're going to microwave this based on our directions. So it says penne pasta for 4 ounces. We're going to microwave for 12 minutes, okay? So I'm gonna put it in for 12 minutes. When it's done, both parts will be hot, right? Because this is a ceramic pot, right? So this is gonna be hot, this will be hot. Do not pick it up by the rubber piece. Always pick it up by the base and use your hot pads, okay? So once it's done cooking, we will check and see how our liquid levels are. Sometimes you have to drain off a little bit, but a lot of times it's absorbed into the pasta. When they did a demonstration at conference last week, it was all absorbed and it was beautiful. So it was a great way to just cook in one meal, right? Or in one pot. So then after we're done cooking the noodles, we're gonna add our heavy cream, and we're gonna add our cheese. And that's it. You just stir it in and then let it stand for about 2 or 3 minutes and you're good to go. So I'm going to go see who is at the door. See you later. Bye.